So today I am going to show you the hair elastics lollipop. So as you can see, is a lollipop. There is a lot missing from this. You can see the gaps. Normally when you buy it, it's all full, but I have removed so many hair bands from it. I started out with about 24 thin hair elastics here. And then depending on what you get, like what you order and stuff, the colors and the shapes are different. But this is what I got. Very colorful hair bands here, and it's in the shape of a lollipop. So this is a really fun way to keep my hair bands in place, like in one place and not scattered all around. I always lose my hair bands. I'll walk around, like before I got this, I would walk around and I'd find hair bands in the strangest places all over my house. I'd find them under my pillows, I'd find them in the corners, under the couch, in the couch. I'd find them on top of the refrigerator, and I just am so, clumsy. I don't really remember things sometimes, and so having them all in one place like this, or a place to actually put them, is really nice. Plus, I love candy. Lollipops are my favorite type of candy, so getting anything that is lollipop shaped is amazing. I like how bright the colors are for this. They're very vivid, as you can see. It's a great gift idea. If you put like a little bow here and wrap it, it will look so awesome, especially for like a little girl, or even if you're sportsy or an athlete, putting your hair up like that. Also, if you like to do fun hairstyles like I do, I love to do braids and buns, and I like to experiment. I like to do really fun, cool, creative hairstyles. So having all these colors and hair bands to work with is great. It's also good for beauty salons, and the main times I put my hair up is basically like in a ponytail, is basically when I'm working out or cleaning, or it's just really, really hot out and I cannot stand it. But I usually am the person who doesn't put their hair up as much, unless it's also like a really cute hairstyle, like, pigtails or whatever. And there is pink and purple and orange and green and blue. And as you take them off, it's kind of in a certain order. So each time you remove them, it kind of goes into this, you know which one you're gonna get next. So keep that in mind. The lollipop itself, as you can see, is this plastic stick, and then it has like this plastic circular shape here. So, and they're attached to one another, and it's pretty solid. It doesn't bend. It's pretty durable. So I definitely think you could stand it up if you put it in something too. What I also like is that the hair bands are snag free. They don't have that metal thing that kind of snags your hair. So what's nice is that they just stretch, and that's it. They're also pretty sturdy elastic. It takes a lot to really stretch them out, which is nice, especially in the beginning, and over time you kind of stretch them out to your liking. That's just how it works. They're very durable. They don't break very often, like they hardly ever break. They're also not rough on your hair the way rubber bands are. So just keep that in mind. The cloth on the outside does that. And I don't usually carry this entire thing around with me. If I were going to travel or something like that, I would probably just take a few of these off and bring them with me. But it's also okay to put them back on as well. And I definitely keep this with my hair supplies. I don't carry it in my purse or in my pocket. It's just really easy to access, and I don't know, I hear all these girls, my friends, everybody, they're always complaining that they lose their hair ties, or that they're just messed, like they're all mixed up and everything. And so this is just a great solution for that. I bought this about a month ago and it doesn't easily break, so I would definitely keep that in mind. Hair Elastic Lollipops is who sold this. They sell this and they sell other hair lollipops as well. So don't be afraid to go check them out and see the different shapes and colors you can get. Thank you so much for watching this video.